Guys, Cody over at Ride North, Houghton. As you can see, we're getting a little bit of snow. Granted, we definitely need a lot more. But either way, I want to talk about an awesome deal. 2023 Skidoo MXZ Blizzard. So you're going to have the upgraded suspension on the front, the ice ripper tracks. You're always going to have some good traction on the trails, gas station parking lots, things like that. It's now priced with $2,000 or $2,877 in Ride North discounts. Another $2,000 rebate. It's going to come with a skid plate, heated visor plug, and a spare belt. So you're going to be absolutely trail ready. Definitely have some other models in stock too. Some with parts, some without parts, but pretty much deals across the board. Stop on by, give me a call, 906-767-0193.